What up, guys? It's your boy Canon Corey, and today I'm staying at the Grand Tuscany Hotel, and I want to show you guys the room real quick because I know a lot of you guys are interested in this hotel. You probably even heard of this hotel because there's a lot of pool parties and a lot of events that happen all the time, which is another reason why I'm here this weekend. So I just wanted to show you guys what the room looks like so you guys can get an idea of what you could be expecting when you get a room here as well. Alright guys, so if you guys are just now tuning in, this is the King Suite room here at the Grand Tuscany Hotel. It's a pretty dope hotel. As you guys can see, you have a big king size bed to sleep in when you first walk into the room. It's clearly like the biggest thing in here. You have a pretty wide space. Let me go back to the door. You have a pretty wide space to be able to just be able to live and organize your things and be comfortable. It's pretty open. It's not like a room that's like skinny like that. It's kind of like almost like a square shape, but not necessarily like a skinny rectangle vibe like what I get from most hotels. You definitely get a lot of like little amenities that you would expect, like a coffee maker here. And then you also have, like me, I edit a lot of videos and stuff like that. So I have like little ports that are built into the desk for like USBs just in case you forgot your block. Don't worry, there's plenty of USB chargers all around the room, all by the bed stand, all that stuff as well. There's minimal decoration in here. It's not like a super decorative like room or anything like that. Like you can see this, I don't even know if it's like an abstract painting or abstract like art next to the bed, which is pretty dope. But as far as like, you know, just being able to have a comfortable room, this is what you can expect in the King Suite. I guess it's the King Suite you would call it, the king size suite here at the Grand Tuscany Hotel. But I'm gonna be honest with you, people don't really come to the Grand Tuscany Hotel because of the rooms. The rooms are nice. I mean, you get a couch in here as well. You get the desk and the table, which is what you guys are probably expecting. People come for the pool. The pool out here is probably the like big main piece that make people want to like come out here because there's a lot of events that happen in this hotel. There's a lot of pool parties that are always happening, especially throughout the summer months. You know, I've seen like all kinds of celebrities here. I've actually been booked multiple times to shoot people's events at this hotel. And so it just so happens that I'm here yet again to shoot another event. A good friend of mine, he's doing like a whole birthday weekend. He rented out this entire hotel and resold the room so he could make a profit / throw his own event. So if you're looking for a place in Houston where you can rent out a hotel, throw pool parties, do your own unique events. He actually had a gala last night as well, and I think this entire weekend he's going to be having all kind of things going on. If you're looking for a hotel that will work with you on things like that, custom events like that, this will probably be one of your best bets in Houston. And it's not like downtown Houston. It's close enough to where people will definitely still come out. Even if they're on the south side, they'll come out to the Grand Tuscany because the Grand Tuscany is a nice little place to stay. I haven't really explored the entire hotel like that as far as like the amenities like breakfast and stuff like that and the gym. But I will be exploring that. You guys can check that in the next video if you guys want to see more of the amenities. But as far as the room is definitely deal with the pool. I know it sounds bad to say deal with the pool, but it's definitely comfortable. I mean, I have a lot of space. I feel like I could comfortably be here with at least 2 other people. Maybe even 3 other people in this room. I wonder if this bed is a flip out bed. And the bed is definitely flip out. So there's a whole nother bed in here. So if you guys book the Grand Tuscany Hotel and you get the king size suite, you also get another bed in the couch. So technically 4 people could stay in this one room for sure, comfortably. Like I said, there's a lot of space. I haven't really, let me see if there's any like closet space. Yeah, there's a little bit of closet space. There's even hangers and stuff like that. I know a lot of you guys be wanting to know if there's an actual iron in here. There's definitely an iron. Yeah, you pretty much are getting everything you need for sure. There's no lack of anything in this room. I wouldn't say it's going above and beyond, but it's definitely comfortable. I think that's just the best way to explain a room here at the Grand Tuscany is everything is just, it's comfortable. And last but not least, here's the bathroom. Here's what you can expect here at the Grand Tuscany King Suite bathroom. You definitely can get a this seems to be some type of like digital mirror. I'm not sure if this like little ring right here means something specifically. Oh, okay, so that's how you turn on the light. That's dope. So you have a light built into the mirror. I think that's a little high speed. Now that kind of gives the room a little bit of like a plus, couple points or so. You also have the side mirror for ladies if you need to do makeup and stuff like that. You got that here. I don't see any like blow dryers or anything like that. None of these drawers are pull out. Is this a drawer? No, that's not a drawer either. Well, you also get your towels down here. Of course, here's the tub. You do have a glass shower, which I think is pretty dope. I look forward to, I like hotels who have glass showers. It just makes it feel like it's like you got your bang for your buck or something just because you have a glass shower. And it slides. Instead of like opens up, it has like these like ring wheels or whatever at the top that help the glass slide back and forth. And you have built-in like soaps here in the tub with you. Or here in the shower with you have the soaps. Of course, you have like shampoo, conditioner, all that stuff. And here's the actual inside of the shower. So it's pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. Now I'll be honest with you guys, I didn't expect anything specifically from this room or the suite. I just needed an actual room, so I didn't really care. And it's only just me, you know, so getting a king size room here at the Grand Tuscany Hotel for one person is definitely more than enough. I probably could have even downsized to like a queen size or something like that, but this makes me feel like, you know, it's a room fit for a king. But hopefully I covered everything for you guys. I tried to like be detailed as I possibly could. The air conditioning unit is right here by the window as well. And I think there's like a pull out desk right here, like another piece to the desk that fits underneath the desk. So if you guys need another like table for whatever, maybe eating on and stuff like that, it's kind of hidden underneath the it's hidden underneath the desk that's here in the room. I don't know if maybe I'm thinking about actually making some coffee. I'm not sure if oh, this is green tea. So you get green tea. You also get French roast coffee. And I don't know what this is. What is this? You get medium roast coffee. So if you guys are into coffee like I am, you also get provided with 2 cups that I may just so happen to have to use real quick. But yeah, as far as like being able to cover anything else, if you guys wanted me to cover something, hopefully I'll try to drop this video early enough today to where maybe if you guys catch me early enough, I can be able to cover anything that you guys didn't get from me. Oh, let me check out these drawers here. There's drawers that I'm noticing in this like table that's built in, like I said. It's not that big of a space. It's probably maybe about 4 inches deep of a drawer, so I wouldn't expect to have a whole lot of drawer space if you plan on being here for a long time and you need that space. I wouldn't be expecting to get it here at the Grand Tuscany. But there are 3 of those drawers that are all about 4 inch. Yeah, it's about, yeah, it stops like halfway up my hand. It's not that deep. So I guess if you fold your clothes, you can get a couple items in there. What else is in here? Is there a refrigerator? Actually, I just realized I don't think I see a refrigerator anywhere in this room. There is not a refrigerator. There's just more. I think this is where the refrigerator would have been. This looks like a refrigerator space, but they took it out. Maybe this room specifically doesn't have a refrigerator. I'm not exactly sure, or maybe it got broken or something, but there's no refrigerator in this room. Maybe they have some in the other rooms. I think I kind of expected that they would have that. You know, maybe that takes off a few points because I don't know how many times I probably ate out late when I'm traveling somewhere and I probably need to put some food up and then maybe warm it up later and I don't see a microwave either. So I guess you get what you give here at the Grand Tuscany. It doesn't have every single thing you need, but I guess you could probably find it somewhere in the hotel, I would imagine. So my next stop is to see what else the hotel has to offer by walking around and checking out the amenities this morning before things get too busy for me to be able to do that without people staring at me. So let me go check some of those things out. I'll have them in the next video. So if you guys want to see more about the Grand Tuscany amenities, check out part 2 of this video. I'm going to put the link probably in the description after this. And I also want to try to find some breakfast real quick too. Hopefully there is some breakfast to be had. Alright guys. See you later on in the next video. Peace.